Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job.
Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job update for all the freshers graduates. So here the company name is Nagaro and the job role is trainee. It will be a complete work from home job and it will be a full-time employment with the company. So if you have a stable internet connection and if you have your personal laptop, then you can apply for this role. Here any graduate can apply for this role. So if you have completed your graduation on last year and if you are completing your graduation in this year, you can apply for this role. Here as the role is trainee, they did not mention a lot of things here because here in this interview they will just check if your communication skills are good or not, if you have proper analytical ability or not, if you have some technical skills, troubleshooting skills. These things they will check. And after that, if you are selected for this role, first they will train you. That's why your designation will be trainee, and after the training they will assign you to a project, then your designation will be associate. Okay, so here they have just provided some details about the company. You can read it, and after that if you are interested you can click on I am interested button. So it is a Germany based company, so here the pay scale will be also good. As a fresher you can expect at least 5 to 6 lakh per annum in this role, and if you are interested just click on the I am interested button. You will get the application form. You can fill up this and attach your updated resume to apply for this role. So that's all about today's job update. It was a short job update because there is no description available to describe. So based on your skills and your requirement, you can design your resume and you can apply accordingly. Okay, if there is any doubt or query, feel free to ask me in the comment section, and if you want to get regular job updates, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.
If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.